the TC53 and TC58 have a larger 6-inch display. That means that the device has a new form factor. And because of that, we haven't been able to be fully backwards compatible with previous generations of charging cradles. However, we do have a solution for that that's very straightforward and simple. In what we're seeing here, we have two TC53s next to a TC52. And you'll be able to quickly see the difference because of the display size being much larger. But we also see that we have what we call the license plate here that identifies the new model. So if you zoom in, you'll see this is TC53, TC58 directly in the cup, and that will make sure that people put their devices in the correct place. Now I'm going to show you how quick and simple it is just to replace your existing cups with cups that support the 53 and 58. So firstly, I'm going to turn this around. You'll see on the back here, there's screws. I've already removed one of the screws. So quick process with a simple screwdriver. At that point, you just simply slide this out. You see that there's one cable. So you can put the new cup in, the one that's compatible with 53, 58. Connect this cable, put this back, slide it, connect that screw back, and now you're able to put your 53 and 58 in your existing ShareCradle.